outfits you all laid out. These are some cute little shoes I just got at Croc. I added the little bow detail because I thought they would be fun. Now, I do like to wear Crocs when I'm at the parks just because they are way more comfortable. These ones are new as well. And then these you've probably seen before. But they fit with all my outfits. I have, don't laugh at me, but these dresses all have tags on them. This one, I didn't even know I had. I just opened up my closet and I was looking for a dress to wear for my birthday and I'm like, what is this? We will talk about that another day. I have issues, but you know, we're not here for my issues. We're here to look at what I'm packing. I got this when I went to Character Warehouse. So if you saw that vlog, you will have seen that in there. I'm actually going to pair it with my little Sprinkle Mickey. Isn't he so cute? My mom bought it for me for my birthday last year. And that's a bobble bar. And I have Sprinkle Mickey earrings. Lots of little accessories. You've seen this purse from my March vlog. Not bringing too many ears. I do have some outfits planned for that. My little, oh my gosh, tell me this is not the cutest. So I have a little Princess and the Frog. Kind of, you know, it's very casual. I just have shorts and I figured I'm going to put this with my Stony Clover bag, and then this is from the Bath & Body Works drop, so I'm going to add that too. But yeah, this is basically just the outfits kind of laid out. I meant to do a haul video and I never got to it, but I did get this back in, I can't even remember. It's got a tag. I did get this one this past trip, and then I got this little dress from Target, which is really, really cute, and I'm going to pair it for like a whole Americana theme thing going with these ears. Yeah, so let's get this all into the suitcase. I still have to put together my toiletries and some other stuff, but I just wanted you to see the process. It's all on my dining room table. It's a mess, but it will get in my suitcase. At least the hard parts are... Oh, and I got this. I got this from the Lily Pulitzer sale. This is a cute little one-piece suit, which is really hard to kind of hold up with. Just my arms. My aunt's sitting at the table. Maybe she tried to help. You know, my pack with me videos are not, they're not aesthetic. They're not really cute. This is just the way that it is. I'll show you what I look like right now because this is going to be like a multi-day process, but this is what I look like right now. Hey, I'm going to Disney. I have a lot of time to look cute. Right now, I don't have time to look cute. I have to pack. I have things to do. I have to work. All the things. So this, I'll continue this on, but yeah. That's where we're at for right now. Okay, so I figured I would show you how I get my sneakers so clean for the parks. I'm a big fan of these New Balances. I have them in multiple colors. I love white sneakers, and I accidentally got caught in the rain with these, and I forgot to clean them. So let's clean these. My go-to shoe cleaner is Rejuvenate. Sorry about the noise in the background. I have to do some laundry before I head to work. These are the little laundry packets that go into here, but we'll get into that. So I've already mixed up my solution into my bowl. This is the shoe solution. All right, so let's get these guys clean. So first you want to dunk, keep the shoelaces into the bucket. All right, I'm going to try and make this fast because I know it's probably boring and the sound of the washer in the back is annoying. Okay, so normally I do this over the sink, but for the purpose of the vlog, I am going to do it right here on our table in the laundry room. You know, laundry rooms aren't super fancy, so I can always clean this later. Alright, so soak the brush, and then you literally just scrub. There's different brushes for different textures. This is actually the soft bristle brush for the fabric, and I will say I have worn these sneakers I don't know how many times, and they always come super clean. I'm kind of nervous though because, like I said, I did get caught in the rain and I didn't wash them right away, and normally I'm kind of a psychopath about my sneakers, so let's hope they come clean. I'm hoping this all comes through. Ooh, it's already getting so white in comparison to the other one. Yes. about 11:30 in the evening. I saw you this morning after I was done cleaning my sneakers, and this is the final result, nice and white. I love that Rejuvenate stuff. Anyhow, I had a very full day of work today. Then I came home, did some more stuff, did some laundry. Like I said, I edited my last Epic Universe vlog. Oh, my hair is looking wild. I had to give facials today. So anyhow, this is where I'm at with my packing. I'm unsure of what to do in terms of like which bag I need to take. I still have to do my toiletry stuff. Oh, I gotta show you guys these. I don't know if these are my water sneakers. I've had these for years from Croc. I forgot that I had them, and I'm like, you know what? I cannot stand it when my sneakers get wet. So I figured I'll bring these little babies. And yeah, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do in terms of like all of my toiletries. If I'm going to fit it into this bag, if I can fit it in the suitcase. Well, not much has changed since the last time you seen me. I worked till about 3:30 today, came home, did some office work. Like literally my office is a legit disaster back here. There are no aesthetic vlogs when it comes to packing because literally I pull everything out so that I can put it back when I'm done. Anyhow, I've been fighting the good fight with all of my stuff. And this is all the toiletries. I thought I was either going to be able to take the duffel or fit it in here, but alas, I had to go grab an extra suitcase. Honestly, this is kind of pathetic for 4 days. I don't know, guys. I just don't understand why all of a sudden these airlines... Don't mind my back. My office, this is as real as it's going to get with me. I just don't understand why travel companies, airlines, whatever, say... you don't need your luggage. You don't need clothes when you travel. Like, oh my gosh, to charge people to just travel with their belongings, with things that they need is actually kind of ridiculous. So anyhow, I'm going to get going. Hopefully the next time you see me, this is all done. I had to do it. I had to get the second suitcase, which is totally fine. Like I said, I'm going to get one complimentary because I have the Southwest credit card. I believe I have to pay $35, but it's just worth it at the end. I didn't pay a lot for my airline ticket. I think I used all my points. I'm going to use my Daisy bag for my my bag to go on the flight with. Then I have my little fanny pack because you can just throw that into there and then keep them both with you. So that's a wrap. I packed. I did it. I'm done. Oh, and I'm happy to report that I was able to get all my makeup yet again into this little purple pouch. I love this thing. It's crazy how much actually fits in here. I need to get some more at Hobby Lobby. So all I have to do is close up this suitcase tomorrow morning and I am on my way. So thank you for following along. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and do all the things. We'll see you in Disney World. Bye.